In this video, I will show you how to watch movies for free on Pluto TV, one of the best streaming services that offers a huge library of movies and TV shows without any subscription fees. First, start by downloading the Pluto TV app. You can find it on the App Store if you're using an iPhone or iPad, the Google Play Store for Android devices, or directly on your smart TV or streaming device like Roku or Amazon Fire Stick. Once the app is installed, open it. The great thing about Pluto TV is that you don't need to create an account or log in to start watching content. It's completely free and easy to use. When you open Pluto TV, you'll notice two main ways to watch movies: through live TV channels and on-demand movies. The live TV section includes dedicated movie channels that show movies all day long, so you can tune in anytime and start watching. If you prefer on-demand content, go to the movies category. Here you'll find thousands of movies in different genres, including action, comedy, drama, horror, and family-friendly films. Just browse through the selection and tap the movie you want to watch. Keep in mind that Pluto TV is ad-supported, so you will see a few commercials during your movie. Well, that's how the service stays free for everyone. That's all there is to it. If you want to watch movies without paying for subscriptions, Pluto TV is a great option with tons of free content. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching.